Hi students, today I just give an explain about the what are the topics are in application of derivatives. In that first topic is rate measure. In the topic already nothing is there, only single sentence is there. Rate of change in y with respect to rate of change in x. So like that we are going to solve examples in this rate measure, and don't observe the solution because of yesterday when I intimated continue explanation is not possible. That's why I written on board. Let me first think about the question only. What I give you question here? Find the rate of change of the area of a circle. Observe it. Rate of change of the area of a circle per second with respect to its radius. With respect to its radius. Two words you have to take it, guys. One is area of a circle per second. Per second means it is indicating actual time. With respect to its radius, that means we are not going to with respect to time. Here in this problem, we are going to differentiate with respect to r only. With respect to r. So this is the main concept. With respect to whom we are doing in this rate measure, especially we have to identify, because solution will not appear in our textbooks. Only appearing in only question. So you have to recognize the what is given in this problem, what he given in this problem, and what we are going to solve this problem. Is there any parameter is given to us? Like that we have to analyze it the problem, and we are going to solve the problem. First, think about rate of change of area means rate of change means generally what I said, guys, d by dr. That means d by dt, da by dt otherwise, because area he said na area of a circle. And with respect to t, we are ready to take the t, but immediately he said with respect to its radius. That's why with respect to what we are doing with respect to radius. So understand it. And when r is equal to 5 centimeter, when r is equal to 5 centimeter, what I given? The area means denoted by the letter a. The area a of a circle with radius r is given by, that means simply we are writing the formula of area of a circle. What we are writing? Simply we are writing area of circle. For that purpose, the area A, we need a letter. The area A of a circle with radius r is given by A is equal to pi r square. Beginning video, in this continuation video only, what I said, guys, differentiate with respect to time. Already he said per second. It is change with time only. But change with whom? With radius it will change, because radius increases means area will increase. Radius decreases means area will decrease. So by that, here we are taking with respect to radius. Now what we are doing now, this is application of derivatives. No need of write, that means differentiate with respect to, now you can write it, that is your wish. Differentiate with respect to radius. That means d by dr of a is equal to d by dr of pi r square. Pi is the constant, and pi keep outside. R square derivative is 2r, because we are differentiating the r square with respect to radius. That means here variable is independent and here variable is also independent, because these are the parameters. dA by dr is equal to pi into 2r. Finally, dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r. What is the meaning of why this is? dA by dr means rate of change in area with respect to rate of change in radius. Rate of change in area with respect to rate of change in radius. What he said? When r is equal to 5 centimeters means how much change will happen? How much change will happen in area? So dA by dr is equal to 2 pi into 5. Finally 10 pi. How I written centimeter square per centimeter, guys? Already he mentioned r is equal to 5 centimeter. That means in our problem units are centimeter. You are telling change in area with respect to change in radius means radius is nothing but length. Length should be in units. Area unit should be square units. That's why per, what we are dealing, differentiate with respect to r means, that means per second, like that. 10 pi into centimeter square per. So actually centimeter I written. That mistake, what we have to take means should take seconds. Sir, why you changed seconds? Because he said whatever the changing of area circle per second he asked. Per second. If you ask the rate of change with respect to radius means we are writing, you can write it centimeter. You can write it centimeter. 10 pi centimeter square per second. And finally, this is the conclusion statement, guys. Conclusion statement. Finally, what we are going to say to in conclusion means the area of the circle is changing at the rate of 10 pi centimeter per second. Centimeter per second.
Start.
Next one, second one, the problem is the volume of a cube is increasing. The volume of a cube increasing. Guys, in lower classes also we learned increasing means the value should be considered as a plus, decreasing means the value should be considered as a minus. Like that, the value is increasing. So what is that? Volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 9 cubic centimeters per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 10 centimeter? 10 centimeter. Students, here which object he considered here? That is cube. Cube means the base surface is square. The base shape is square. So cube means length, breadth, height all are equal. Suppose that consider means what is the volume of a cube? What is the volume of a cube? Side cube. What is the surface area of a cube? Is 6 side square. That means surface area means 2 are there. One is total surface area and second one is curved surface area. Then generally cube means lateral surface area will come. Lateral surface area will come. So by that, what I am giving to you, okay, first understand it. Two questions is raising. One is about the volume of a cube and second one is thinking about the surface area of a cube. Now come to the problem. That means in this he is not given any function to us. By understanding the question, we have to make a function. By understanding the question, we have to make a question. So how we have to? Just like that. That use one word, length of an edge. Length of edge means that should be considered. Let x be the length of a side. Let x be the length of a side. V be the volume of and S be the surface area of the cube. V means indicates volume of a cube. S indicates surface area of a cube. Okay. What are those formulas? Volume of a cube is, I said, side cube. Side cube means x cube. And surface area means this is a total surface area, guys. Because I said two surface areas. One is lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area of a cube? That is 4s square. Here total surface area considered, that is 6x square. X square means side square. And we are going to solve this problem. How? Already he said volume of a cube increasing at the rate of 9 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeters means we can denote centimeter cube also. Per second. Per second means by using this unit, by using this, cubic centimeter indicates volume. Seconds indicates time. That means E given that dV by dt. So given that dV by dt is equal to 9 centimeter cube per second. Okay, clear, fine. Now I am taking reverse. What I am doing here, 9 is equal to nothing but dV by dt. 9 is nothing but dV by dt. D by dt of what is the V? Already it is x cube. I written here. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. But with respect to time, with another variable, that's why we are continuing the differentiator. We will get the dx by dt. 3x square dx by dt. I want dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 9 by 3x square and 3 3s are 3 1s. That will cancel. 3 by x square will come. 3 by x square will come. Now just we calculated dx by dt value. Later it will help to us. Okay. Finally, we are going to how fast is the surface area increasing means surface area of a cube is 6x square. That's why we are going to d by dt of s. D by dt of s is equal to d by dt of 6x square. 6 is the constant, x square. D by dt of x square, that is 2x into d by dx. 12x into dx by dt value is 3 by x square. Dx by dt value is 3 by x square. So 12x into 3 by x means x will cancel. You will get the 36 by x. This is our ds by dt. Fine. But he is asking how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is 10 centimeter. That means he asked about the increasing of surface area. But at x is equal to 10, he is asking. So ds by dt is equal to 36 by 10. 36 by 10 means 3.6 centimeter square by second. So students, first in this chapter, that means from here onwards, rate measure onwards, he will give the some statement wise questions. By understanding the question only, we have to make question. And also, everyone should be perfect in mensuration formulas. Mensuration formulas means like cuboid, volume of a cuboid, and the area of surface area of a cuboid, or cones, cylinders, spheres, especially spheres, cone, such type of objects will come in these problems. You have to understand and make the function like this, understandable way, because these are the example, guys. This is the second example. This is the second example. So just calculate it and you will get this answer. 36 by x means 36 by 10. I written centimeter square per second. How I written, guys? Because S indicates surface area. Area means square units. T means seconds. So area means centimeter square per T means seconds. Okay. Next, third one, guys. A stone dropped into a quiet lake. That means a small stone dropped into a quiet lake means it's nothing but a pond. In that pond, the water is not moving. Water is not moving means it doesn't have waves. It doesn't have waves. Such type of lake. Quiet lake means water is stagnated like that. So quiet lake, and waves move in circles. Actually, if you are throwing a stone into lake, automatically waves come in a circle shape. Waves will come in circle shape at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Actually, circle is increasing means what there is increasing, radius is increasing. Radius is increasing means with respect to time. With respect to time. So 4 centimeter per second means this is 4 second per second means this is considered as a dr by dt. What it increases? Wave increase. Wave means radius will increase. Dr by, because centimeter by this. If it is centimeter square per second means you can consider dA by dt. But here centimeter per second means just consider it dr by dt. Okay. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave, at the instant the radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter. At particular time, radius is 10 centimeters means how fast is the enclosed area is increasing. That means he is asking dA by dt. In question he given dr by dt. In final what we have to show means dA by dt we have to show in this problem. So guys, just and in this object is what? Because in each and every problem, one time we are seeing the area of circle directly he asked, and second problem he asked cube, and in this problem the waves are in circle move. The waves are means here object is circle. So the area A of a circle with radius r is given by, A is equal to pi r square. dA by dt means d by dt of pi r square. Pi into d by dt of r square means already we calculate like this, 2 pi r into dr by dt. And if you know this and this means directly we will get the answer. That means what you required here, need, not required, need, what you need? I want r value and again I want the dr by dt value. Dr by dt value already mentioned it in this problem. So r is equal to 10 centimeter he mentioned here, because you should calculate the increasing of area at r is equal to 10 centimeter he said to us. So by using that data, when r is equal to 10 centimeters means dA by dt is equal to 2 pi into 10. Already dr by dt means 4 centimeter per second. I substitute the value 80 pi. 80 pi means what? What type of unit that is? That is A means A indicates the area and T indicates the time. Area it is centimeter square or square centimeter. Generally square centimeters we are calling. You can use it as centimeter square. Time means per second. Guys, in this problem, if it doesn't give any units, means there unit square, unit key, like that you can write it and come. But definitely you should mention the units. You should mention the units. Final our conclusion answer thus. The enclosed area is increasing at the rate of 85 centimeters square per second. Per second. So every time what you keep concentrate means you should keep concentrate on question by understanding what is the meaning of the problem. That means simple logic. Just we are throwing a stone in lake. Automatically when stone is dropped into water, automatically waves will come from that. Waves will occur in that. The waves are in circle mode. Waves are in circle mode. Okay. If radius is 10 centimeters at that time, what is the increasing rate of area? What is the increasing rate of area of a circle? That is the question meaning. So first we have to calculate area, but which object? You will get an idea. That means you will get a doubt about that. So area means area of a circle. Take like this, calculate. If you have r value, dr by dt value means definitely easily you can calculate it. Already dr by dt value you can mention it. R value also given that. By using these two values, you just calculate it. And final answer, write with units. While writing units, observe it what you calculate. dA by dt means A indicates area, T indicates time. Area means square units, time means seconds.
Start.
Next one guys, fourth one, that is the length x of a rectangle. That means x indicates length of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. Guys, what I said, decreasing means minus, increasing means plus. By that, decreasing means minus 3 centimeter per minute, and width denoted by y. Width is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute means plus 2. Okay, fine. That means he mentioned dx by dt, because how do you know the dx by dt? By observing the units, centimeter per minute. Minute is the delegate time. So dx by dt given value is minus 3 centimeter because of decreasing, and y is increasing, that is with respect to time, dy by dt equal to 2 centimeter per minute. Okay, fine. When x equal to 10 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of two condition he is asking here. Two conditions. One is the perimeter of rectangle. Second one is the area of a rectangle. First, we have to know the perimeter of a rectangle and area of a rectangle. Think about the first. What is he given? Given that dx by dt is equal to minus 3 centimeter per minute. dy by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. That is a given data. Now we are going to find the perimeter P of a rectangle is given by P is equal to 2 of x plus y. That means 2 into length plus breadth. 2 of x plus y means 2 into length plus breadth. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to time, because with respect to time means each data is given with respect to time only. That's why with respect to dp by dt is equal to of dx by dt plus dy by dt. This is f of x plus g of x formula, dx by dt. And apply the values. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1 will come minus 2. That is dp by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Students, by observing the minus 2 you can write it. Final conclusion. The perimeter of a rectangle is decreasing by 2 centimeter per minute. You can conclude the data and come to the area guys. The area A of a rectangle is given by A is equal to x into y. X into y means length into breadth. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to time. dA by dt means this is act as a f of x into g of x. What type of function guys? This is implicit function, because in the expression two variables are involving. X into y. So this is act as f of x into g of x. X into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. And given that already we have these two values, and already given that x is equal to 10 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter, add these values, that means substitute these values also in this expression, you will get 20 minus 8 equal to 2 centimeter square per second. Why I written centimeter square guys? Because we calculated dA by dt value. Because A indicates, A belongs to area, T indicates time. dA by dt means centimeter square per minute. So finally, after reading of this problem, he is asking how much changing happening in the perimeter, how much changing happening area, already concluded. Minus 2 means perimeter of a rectangle is decreasing at 2 centimeter per minute and area of a rectangle is increasing 2 centimeter square per minute. Like that, we have to calculate this problem. Next, fifth problem, guys. The total cost of C of x in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30 into x plus 5000. Find the marginal cost when 3 units are produced. Where by marginal cost we mean the means what is the meaning of marginal cost? He is asking. What is the meaning of marginal cost? Means rate of change of the total cost at any level of output. Output means we are producing it. Output. So finally what he is saying means he is given total cost, guys. He is given total cost and we are going to find out the rate of change of total cost. Rate of change of total cost means, okay, given the total cost expression in terms of x. Given the total cost in terms of x. So differentiate with respect to x, that is nothing but differentiate with respect to x of this function is nothing but marginal cost he is telling in the statement. This is the clear, simple. The problem is so big, but understanding simply, whatever it is, the total cost is depend on producing number of units. Just like suppose we purchased 2 apples, 20 rupees, 10 apples, 100 rupees. Like that, by that number of how many unit the base of items are we are producing it depends on that the marginal cost will increase. So by that, what is telling me is given total cost it is in a C of x in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by like this, and find the marginal cost. Marginal cost means how do you calculate marginal cost? Means this marginal cost is nothing but rate of change of total cost. This is meaning rate of change of total cost means d by dx of C of x. The same statement I written on since marginal cost is the rate of change of total cost with respect to the output, and this is the given problem. So marginal cost means how do you get it? D by dx of C of x, that is d by dx of problem. I calculated. Simplified, guys. Directly I calculated. X cube means 3x square. 3 5s are 15. 0.015. And this is x square means 2x. 2 2s are 4x will come. 30 into 1. This constant is 0. Directly calculate because we are in application of differentiation means directly I will give the steps. If it is cross means I will give period, but I don't have sufficient place now. So understand it. Try to go for the simplification. And this is only marginal cost. But he is asking, suppose when 3 units are produced, we calculate only marginal cost in terms of x. If you complete number value means he is asking about if the 3 units are produced means if x is equal to 3 means in the place of x substitute the 3. But I did mistake here, guys. This is not cube. This is square. 0.015. 3 whole square minus 0.04 into 3 plus that total value is 30.05. Final conclusion statement, hence the required marginal cost is rupees 30.02 nearly. So this is the fifth one. In the same model, sixth one also given that he is asking the total, is giving the revenue, total revenue and marginal revenue. The sixth example, the same work, guys, is giving total revenue means the total revenue is differentiated with x is nothing but the marginal revenue. And in your textbook, take that sixth example also. Solve these 5 examples. Try to understand these models. Now we are going to solve this type of problems. And how do you identify the functions in this type of sentences, questions? Means read it clearly, understand the meaning of the question. Then only you can identify, you can recognize that questions. First, take these examples. Solve perfectly. Try to understand it. Do you have any doubt? Immediately, just call me. And I will give clarity on the problem. So now today I just given 5 problems. One more sixth example is nothing but like this one only. Here given the C of x. In the next example is giving the R of x, and we are going to calculate Marginal revenue means dy dx of r will get just derivative of the function. Substitute like this, you get the marginal revenue. Take the example, guys, students, up to now, if you are not having any textbook and collect your mathematics textbook, otherwise already bookshops are opened. Just go and purchase it in your areas, especially in our Koppal and Raichur district. Now, somewhat it is green zone. You can get the books also. First, collect the books and start to do the work. This textbook, because here onwards all the total questions are very theoretical questions, big questions are there. Solution. So somewhat keep with you. Sometimes the font size is not appearing to clearly means at least you can say observe the textbook and you can solve easily. For that sake, I am telling you, try to get those books within 1 week and complete it. Okay, guys. Thank you.